Hey everybody, this is Adam Wins. This is the Winningest, and this is the incarnation of Wall Street Winning. This is our newest platform, and you're really going to like it, especially these returns this week. So everything in white here is a buy. You'll see the dates when the purchase date, and there's still some good buys now. That there's a max buy in column F here that you don't want to buy above. Okay, so there's the current price. These are real-time prices. They're 15 minutes delayed. So, for example, right here, our max buy is a 167.40 and it's a 167.90. So we're already above the max buy level. However, let's see if we're anywhere. Now, everything seems okay. So we've got Twitter. 49 is the max buy level and it's at 48.44. So Twitter today is still a buy. Okay, so all of these are triggered off. We have some new buys. We actually have some greens here. Okay, so we have CPRT and we have FAN. This was a couple day trade, and let's see how the results were. So we triggered off 10% in this stock, and our exit date was the 8th. So in 8 days, we did 10%. Okay, so we're outperforming Wall Street Winnings 0.5% a week, and we've got a 10% return here. So we're doing incredibly, 20 times the rate that we're doing. So a $30,000 investment yielded $3,100 in this particular stock. Okay. Now you say, but Adam, you don't have the options here. Okay. Well, if you want, you can always sell calls at the target one. Okay. And then you might say, well, this isn't Monday and Friday. This is every day. Well, you can take your trades whenever you so choose. If you want to do your trades on Mondays and Fridays, like you did over in the trading room, go for it. As long as the max buy price is not above the current price, it's still in a buy. Okay. You can make that trade whenever you want. The timing is not as critical here, okay? What we're doing is we're getting breakout stocks. You're setting your stop loss price, okay? And you're keeping your risk per share under 1%, okay? 1%. That is a beauty of anything that we can possibly do here. Now, let's say you didn't want to risk the $30,000 here. You wanted to decrease that. You can always do that. Okay, you can make it $10,000. Okay, and you'd have made $1,000 this week on a $10,000 investment. Not bad. Okay, 10% in a week with the new system. Okay, it would take you 20 weeks to do that with Wall Street Winning, and you just did it here in one trade. Okay. Any other questions? Hit me up in the Discord room. Make sure if you don't have the link to the Discord, I'm putting it in this email. Get it. Get into this room right here. This is the spreadsheet. We're going to be automating this. We are automation experts. So the whole thing is going to be automated. Just stay tuned for more and more changes, okay? More and more changes are coming. That's the only thing with this new world, with this new economy, with everything that's going on with COVID and everything else. Change is happening. Change happened for us too, and you're gonna like all the changes. I like a change from 0.5% a week on average to do 10% in a week here, okay, with lowered risk, okay? Now, you could do higher than 10% if you had sold the options here, okay? So if you'd sold the options here on the 8th on Friday, you'd have done even better, okay? So the bottom line is the data here you're getting is highly, highly useful. The setups here are incredibly good, and we're just going for a 50% win rate. Our stops are where they need to be. Our targets are where they need to be. You can go for target one. You can hang in here and go for target two. Okay? So, we still haven't hit target two here, and we still haven't hit target two here. We're above our target one price. Choice to sell is yours. You already made your 10% and 7.41% respectively. You can take half of that off the table in target one and wait for the other half for target 2 or get all out or or sell options for Friday. Okay? We make this as easy as possible. We're going to be automating more and more and more in the coming weeks. Stay tuned, stay active. For those of you who are just here on a trial basis, we're going to be sending you more information. Get involved in the Discord group and keep trading. This is amazing, amazing data. You're going to love the system. I love the system. I love the reduced risk, not all the rolling, not all the holding the losers, stinkers for so long. The system is the winningest.